railroad ties inside that staked flat car. School trains in Montreal on the 16th of July 2021 at 6:10 p.m. And I've got a mixed freight here at Dorval underneath the ramps, heading west on a Friday evening. Look at that. No, it does have style. Look at this. Brand new hopper cars. Maybe somebody will tell me where these hopper cars were made, because they're not the NSC cars. They do have some style though. They got that fluting kind of going in there. And they're all the same. Yeah, they're very cool. Not sure what those are, pipes, aluminum. But it's an alternative to just wood on one of those center beam rack cars. Here's another one with a lot of, I don't know, you can't say effort really. I mean, they did do the whole car. Now, if you're going to do graffiti on these type of cars. There's nothing to this. It's just gray. It's got just a reporting mark on it. Yeah, it's the perfect target. Why are you going to go after something that's got color and style, like a Saskatchewan car, you know? Anyway, this is the end of that train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.